Want to know the secret to crushing the market? It's all about timing and making informed decisions. Right now, Advanced Micro Devices ticker symbol AMD is catching everyone's eye, including Amazon, who recently purchased $84.4 million worth of shares after their first quarter earnings result. Imagine being on the brink of a financial breakthrough, with a company that is not just surviving but thriving in today's competitive tech landscape. The question is, are you ready to be part of this journey? This isn't just any company, it's a leader in innovation, a true pioneer that's reshaping the tech world as we know it. If you're looking to make a smart investment, there's no better time than now to dive deep into this opportunity. By the end of this video, you'll understand why this stock is a must-have in your portfolio. If you only watch one video today, make sure you watch this one, all the way till the end. We're about to reveal why this stock is not just a good buy, but a great one. Hit the like button, let's get 1,000 likes on this one, share the video, and leave your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next important financial investing update. AMD has just reported a stellar first quarter of 2025, showcasing their ability to outperform expectations and deliver impressive results. With a record revenue of $7.4 billion, marking a 36% increase year over year, the company is clearly on an upward trajectory. Their adjusted earnings per share of 96 cents, up 55%, further cements their position as a formidable player in the tech industry. This performance isn't just a flash in the pan, it's a testament to AMD's strategic initiatives and robust business model. Their ability to consistently generate revenue growth is indicative of a company that's not only meeting but exceeding market demands. This is a clear signal to investors that AMD is a stock worth considering. The numbers tell a compelling story, but they are only part of the picture. AMD's success is also driven by their commitment to innovation and their ability to adapt to changing market conditions. By focusing on high-growth areas, they've positioned themselves as leaders in the industry, ready to capitalize on emerging opportunities. As we continue to explore AMD's performance, it's important to recognize the broader implications of their success. This isn't just about one quarter's results, it's about a sustained strategy that promises long-term growth and profitability. For investors, this is an opportunity to be part of a company that's shaping the future of technology. One of the standout elements of AMD's first quarter performance is the remarkable strength of their data center segment. With revenue reaching $3.7 billion, a 57% increase year over year, this segment is a powerhouse driving AMD's growth. The demand for their EPYC CPUs and Instinct GPUs highlights AMD's strong foothold in the burgeoning AI market. Data centers are the backbone of modern computing, and AMD's offerings are at the forefront of this critical sector. Their products are not only meeting current demands but are also poised to address the future needs of AI and machine learning applications. This positions AMD as a key player in a market that's set to expand exponentially. The significance of AMD's data center success cannot be overstated. As the world becomes increasingly reliant on data-driven technologies, companies that can provide the necessary infrastructure will thrive. AMD's strategic focus on this segment demonstrates their understanding of market trends and their ability to deliver cutting-edge solutions. For investors, this represents a unique opportunity to capitalize on a company that's not only growing but leading in a critical industry. The data center segment is a testament to AMD's innovation and strategic foresight, making their stock an attractive option for those looking to invest in the future of technology. At the helm of AMD's success is CEO Lisa Su, whose vision and leadership have been instrumental in the company's remarkable turnaround. Her strategic insights and commitment to innovation have propelled AMD to new heights, making it a formidable competitor in the tech industry. Under her guidance, AMD has not only achieved financial success, but has also become a leader in technological advancements. Lisa Su's approach to leadership is characterized by a focus on long-term growth and a deep understanding of market dynamics. Her ability to steer the company through challenges and capitalize on opportunities has been a key factor in AMD's success. Her statement, "We delivered an outstanding start to 2025 as year-over-year growth accelerated for the fourth consecutive quarter driven by strength in our core businesses and expanding data center and AI momentum," encapsulates her strategic vision. Her leadership style is not just about making decisions, but about inspiring a culture of innovation and excellence within the company. By fostering an environment where creativity and strategic thinking are encouraged, Lisa Su has positioned AMD as a leader in the tech industry. For investors, Lisa Su's leadership is a critical component of AMD's investment appeal. Her track record of success and her ability to navigate the complexities of the tech industry make her a leader worth betting on. With her at the helm, AMD is well positioned to continue its trajectory of growth and innovation. Despite AMD's impressive performance, Wall Street has raised concerns. particularly regarding the $1.5 billion charge related to export restrictions on advanced chip sales to China. Analysts are also wary of a potential decline in AI revenue in the first half of 2025. These concerns, while valid, must be viewed in the context of AMD's long-term strategy and growth potential. It's important to acknowledge these challenges, but it's equally crucial to recognize AMD's resilience and adaptability. The company's ability to navigate regulatory hurdles and market fluctuations is a testament to their robust business model and strategic foresight. While short-term setbacks may occur, AMD's long-term prospects remain strong. Investors should focus on the bigger picture, which is AMD's potential to profit from the AI revolution, and their attractive valuation at 22 times forward earnings. This provides a compelling case for long-term investment, as AMD is well-positioned to capitalize on emerging opportunities in the tech industry. In the world of investing, it's essential to balance short-term concerns with long-term potential. AMD's strategic initiatives and market leadership make it a stock worth considering despite the challenges it faces. For those willing to look beyond immediate hurdles, AMD offers a promising investment opportunity. With a market cap of $162.29 billion, an EPS of $1.02, and a PE ratio of 96.3, the company posted $25.79 billion in revenue for 2024 and a net income of $1.64 billion. But here's what's really catching investors' attention. The stock, currently trading at $98.23, is nearly 92% below its estimated fair value of $188.57. That kind of gap has the market buzzing with speculation. In their latest earnings report for Q1 2025, AMD delivered a strong beat. Earnings came in at 96 cents per share, topping expectations of 93 cents, while revenue climbed to $7.40 billion, beating the $7.1 billion estimate. A large part of that success was driven by a 57% year-over-year surge in the data center segment, fueled by high demand for AI technologies and server CPUs. CEO Lisa Su also weighed in, highlighting the importance of balancing national security concerns around export controls with the need for global tech adoption. She doubled down on AMD's commitment to AI innovation, stressing the importance of safeguards as the company pushes further into that space. Market sentiment around AMD has been largely optimistic. Analysts at Bank of America continue to see AMD as a key player in the semiconductor market, especially as a viable secondary source for GPUs. That positive outlook has helped ease concerns some investors had around GPU supply and competition. From a broader perspective, Q1 marked AMD's fourth consecutive quarter of accelerating year-over-year growth. Revenue shot up 36% compared to the same period last year, with the data center and client segments leading the charge. Data center revenue hit $3.7 billion, and the client and gaming division brought in $2.90 billion, up 28% year-over-year, with client revenue alone jumping 68%. There's also strong momentum on the product side. AMD launched its Radeon 9070 series to solid demand and introduced FSR4, a machine learning-based rendering technology. Ryzen processors continue to perform well, particularly the new 16-core Ryzen 9 9950X3D. Shipments of the MI325X accelerators are ramping up, and customer interest in the upcoming MI350 series is growing fast. On the strategic front, AMD is expanding rapidly. The company gained share in the data center market, saw greater enterprise adoption of EPYC instances, and broadened its AI deployments across cloud and enterprise customers. Recent partnerships with tech giants like Oracle, Siemens, and Cisco are helping push AMD's presence even further. And just this quarter, AMD completed its acquisition of ZT Systems to bolster its GPU and data center systems roadmap. Financially, the company is firing on all cylinders. Gross margins expanded year-over-year for the fifth straight quarter. Net income rose by an impressive 55%. AMD also generated $939 million in cash from operations and produced $727 million in free cash flow, but it's not all smooth sailing. The embedded segment saw a slight decline, with revenue down 3% year-over-year to $823 million. Gaming revenue also dipped 30%, as lower semi-custom sales overshadowed growth in Radeon graphics. The data center segment, while strong year-over-year, declined 5% sequentially, and new export license requirements for shipments of MI308 GPUs to China are expected to cut $700 million from Q2 revenue and $1.5 billion for the full year. On top of that, the company is facing an $800 million inventory-related charge in Q2. Risks tied to the macroeconomic landscape remain, particularly around tariffs and evolving export regulations. The uncertainty surrounding US-China relations and the impact of export restrictions on AMD's AI accelerators add to the volatility. And while ASPs are helping offset a decline in client unit sales, that business is under pressure too. Looking ahead, AMD remains confident. The company is guiding for strong double-digit revenue growth in 2025, driven by gains in its 𝗣𝗟𝗗𝗧 and Ryzen CPU lines along with Radeon GPUs. The data center GPU segment is expected to deliver similar double-digit growth, with the MI350 series ramping up in the second half of the year. Semi-custom and embedded segments are also projected to return to growth in the latter half of 2025, and development of the MI400 series is on track for a launch next year. Strategic investments continue, especially in AI. AMD is expanding its ROCm software platform, enhancing full-stack AI capabilities, and integrating ZT Systems to solidify its position in the data center GPU market. On top of that, the company returned $749 million to shareholders through stock buybacks, and still has $4 billion left under its repurchase authorization. Momentum is also building in the enterprise space. AMD recently hit a major milestone in manufacturing its fifth-generation EPYC Turin processors at TSMC's Arizona facility, with first shipments expected later this year. And looking further ahead, AMD is developing next-gen 𝗣𝗟𝗗𝗧 Venice processors, built on TSMC's 2-nanometer process, slated for release in 2026. In another breaking news, Amazon has purchased $84.4 million worth of shares in AMD, according to a 13F regulatory filing with the Securities and Exchange Commission on Tuesday. Amazon's investment follows AMD's strong first-quarter earnings, driven by 57% growth in its data center segment amid rising momentum in AI and data center chip markets. In summary, AMD delivered a strong Q1 with impressive growth across key segments and a solid foundation for the rest of the year. Despite facing challenges around export controls, inventory adjustments, and global economic uncertainty, the company's focused execution, AI positioning, and deep product pipeline make it a compelling name to watch as we move through 2025. In the midst of discussing AMD's potential, it's the perfect time to introduce the Value Stocks Investing course. This course is designed for investors who want to make informed decisions and maximize their returns. With a focus on value investing principles, this course offers a comprehensive guide to identifying and capitalizing on undervalued stocks. The course provides insights into market trends, financial analysis, and strategic investment techniques. It's an invaluable resource for both novice and experienced investors looking to enhance their portfolios. And for a limited time, we're offering an exclusive discount to those who enroll now. By participating in this course, you'll gain the knowledge and skills needed to navigate the complexities of the stock market. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, the Value Stocks Investing course offers something for everyone. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your investment strategy. Take advantage of this limited time offer and join the ranks of informed investors who are making smart strategic decisions. Enroll today and start your journey towards financial success. Remember, the key to successful investing is knowledge, and this course is your gateway to becoming a savvy investor. As we wrap up this analysis, it's clear that AMD is a stock with significant potential. Their impressive Q1 performance, strong data center segment, and visionary leadership make them a compelling investment opportunity. But the journey doesn't end here. To stay informed and make the most of your investments, consider joining the Stocks Galore Patreon. By becoming a member, you'll gain access to exclusive stock tips, in-depth analysis, and real-time trade alerts. It's a community of like-minded investors who are committed to making informed decisions and maximizing their returns. Head over to patreon.com/stocksgalore and join us today. Before you go, let me leave you with a question. Do you think AMD's current valuation accurately reflects its long-term potential in the AI market? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest investment insights. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We look forward to hearing from you and helping you achieve your financial goals. Remember, the world of investing is full of opportunities, and with the right information, you can make them work for you. Happy investing.